Season. New data shows Americans are digging themselves deeper into credit card debt, which is now hitting an all-time high.
Step into the fascinating world of credit cards in today's video. Curious about the top American Express cards of 2024? Interested in cashback or rewards points? Discover the perks and benefits awaiting you with Amex cards. Let's explore together. Starting with one of my personal favorites, the British Airways Amex credit card. This card is totally free to sign up for and comes with some incredible benefits. When you use this card, you earn Avios points, which you can use to snag free flights or hotel stays. Every pound you spend with the card equals 1 Avios point. And you can use 3 points not only for British Airways flights, but also for flights with other airlines like Aer Lingus and Iberia. Plus, you can even use your Avios points to book hotels. But wait, there's more. If you sign up using a referral link, you can score extra Avios points for free. And if you spend a certain amount in the first 3 months after getting the card, you're going to earn a juicy bonus of 5,000 points. That's like a free flight just for using your card. Oh, and here's the cherry on top. If you spend enough on the card, you're going to get access to the companion voucher, allowing you to bring a friend along on your travels for free or snag a 50% discount on your solo adventures. What's really cool is that the benefits don't stop there. The Amex app is packed with offers from various shops and restaurants where you can earn bonus Avios points on top of what you normally get. So whether you're a frequent traveler or just planning an annual vacation, this card is a game changer. And the best part, it's completely fee-free. Next up, we have the Nectar Amex credit card. This card is also free to sign up for in the first year, and it comes with some sweet bonuses. If you spend a certain amount in the first 3 months, you're going to earn a whopping 20,000 bonus Nectar points. That's equivalent to 200 to spend at popular retailers like Sainsbury, Argos, eBay, and more. Plus, when you use your card at Nectar retailers, you're going to earn triple points, making it even easier to rack up rewards. Even if you're not a big spender, this card is still a fantastic option. You're going to earn double points for every pound spent outside of Nectar retailers, including purchases made abroad. So whether you're stocking up on groceries or treating yourself to a shopping spree, you're going to be earning points every step of the way. With its impressive sign-up bonuses and ongoing rewards, the Nectar Amex card is a must-have for anyone who loves to shop smart and save big. And even after the first year, the annual fee is a modest $30, making it a great long-term investment for savvy shoppers. I believe it's really worth considering the Platinum Cashback Everyday Credit Card, which is the third Amex credit card on our list. This card comes with a nice perk of bonus Nectar points. Guess what? It's absolutely free, meaning there's no annual fee to worry about. For the initial 3 months after signing up, you can earn 5% cash back up to $100. Additionally, there's an extra $10 bonus cashback available, bringing the total potential bonus cashback to $110 if you meet the sign-up criteria. Once you've completed the sign-up offers, you're going to continue to earn cash back on your purchases. You'll receive 0.5% cash back on any purchases up to $10,000. After surpassing $10,000 in spending, the cashback rate increases to 1%. The best part? There's no cap on the amount of cash back you can earn with this card. So if you're in the market for a credit card that rewards you for your spending, it could be an excellent option for you. Then there's the Preferred Rewards Gold credit card. While this card comes with a $195 annual fee, it offers some enticing perks. Upon spending $3,000 within the first 3 months of getting the card, you're going to earn a bonus of 25,000 points. The benefits include bonus points that can be redeemed for flights and travel, as well as 4 lounge access passes per year. Moreover, you can receive $10 cash back on delivery every month. These points can also be used to make purchases on platforms like Amazon and other retailers, or to pay for flights with certain airlines like BA, Virgin, and Emirates. For every dollar you spend, you earn 1 point. But if you spend on Amex Travel, you're going to receive 3 points per dollar spent and 2 points per dollar spent with any airline. That wraps up our discussion about the Amex credit cards available in 2024. I hope you found this information helpful. So why wait? Sign up today and start reaping the rewards. Drop your thoughts in the comment section. If you liked it, please hit the like button and consider subscribing to the channel. Stay tuned for more updates, and until next time.